Dear students and teachers, good evening. This video is a very important one as the minor examinations are over and major subject exam are going to start tomorrow onwards. So I thought of reminding all of you and give you the general feedbacks which will be severely help all of you. It is observed from last 2 days examination that still some of the students are making silly errors while answering in OMR sheet. Even the teachers are making mistakes while evaluating the OMR sheet. So all are requested to spare 10 minutes to listen this video and rectify the errors. I am sure this video will help to overcome the difficulties. In the previous video we have learnt how to fill up the OMR answer sheet. Let us go to the OMR answer sheet. This left side of the OMR answer sheet, it is already filled by the CBSE. And very clearly the instruction is written, use only blue or black ballpoint pen. Then yesterday examination and before that examination it is found some of the students they have forgotten to write the question paper code number here. So as soon as we get the question paper, we should write the corner of the question paper on this OMR sheet, this space provided. Second, we have to read the instruction in the question paper thoroughly. After that, the code number can be written. As it is instructed, we have to use either blue ballpoint pen or black ballpoint pen. Next, we have to come to the bottom part of the OMR answer sheet where we find candidate's signature and the declaration. I confirm that all particulars given above are correct. So we have to do our signature and write the declaration in running hand. Then we will go to answer the questions. As we can see, there are 4 options and this OMR answer sheet contains from question number 1 to question number 60. So we have to answer very thoroughly as instructed in the question paper. Some of the students, what they have done, they have darkened this circle in a response side, but they have not written the options in the rectangular box. If we darken the circle here and if we don't write the options here, this answer will be considered as UFM, unfair means. So we should write the correct option in the box provided here. Then leaving the circle blank. If you leave this circle blank, here also if you don't write anything else, here also if you don't write anything else, then also this will come under unfair means. So we should be very careful while answering the questions. For questions not attempted, suppose for example 5 number questions is very difficult and we have not attempted, then what we have to do? We have to darken the circle extremely right side below the hash mark. Then the evaluator will understand this question is not attempted. If no circle is darkened and the box is also not filled, this question will be considered as not attempted. So while answering, we have to be very careful. Then some instructions are there for the teachers who is acting as the evaluator as well as the invigilator. Invigilator, evaluator, coordinator, observer and all other officials have to use red ballpoint pen only. There is a confusion among the teachers which ink we should use while checking the papers, while rechecking the papers, while putting our signatures. Only red pen we can use. Then second point, they have to do their signature with their identification number. We'll find here it is written invigilator, evaluator, coordinator, observer, signature and identification number. This identification number is provided by CBSE when we fill the OSIS data. So we have to write our unique identification number. Coordinators are to be rechecked 20% of the total OMR answer sheet, and they have to put their signature, and one evaluator has to evaluate 20 OMR in case of large number of students. Even the CCA teachers can be appointed as the evaluator also. Now I will share with you some of the things about the subjects, in which subject how much mark, how many questions are there. So let us see the questions from the social science first, as the social science exam is tomorrow. Altogether, there are 60 options in the OMR answer sheet, as we know. But in social science question paper, we have to attempt 50 questions out of 60 questions. There will be 4 sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. Then section A in social science subject, section A, you will find there are 24 questions. Out of 24 questions, we have to attempt 20 questions only. In section B, there are total 22 questions. Out of 22 questions, candidates have to attempt 18 questions. Similarly, in section C contains 12 questions, but the candidate have to attempt 10 questions. And section D contains map work and 2 marks. We have to attempt both the map questions. Then altogether, we are attempting 20 plus 18 38 plus 10 48 plus 2 50 questions we have to attempt. Similarly, the evaluator, they will correct only 20 correct answers from section A. Question numbers or serial number 1 to 24. Similarly, section B, only first 18 correct answers will be evaluated. That is from 25 to 46. Question number you will find 25 to 46. And section C, you will evaluate only 10 questions. Serial number 47 to 58. And 59, question number 59 and 60 are map questions. So this is all about the social science subject. Then I will tell you about the mathematics subjects, how the question will come. There will be little variation between the mathematics standard and mathematics basics. Let's discuss in mathematics standard. Mathematics standard. Timing is 90 minutes and the total marks is 40 marks. There are three segments of the question paper: section A, section B, and section C. Section A, there will be 20 questions. Section A, there will be 20 questions. Out of 20 questions, the candidates have to take attempt only 16 questions. And question number 1 to 20. Section B, there will be also 20 questions from question number 21 to 40, and candidate has to take attempt only 16 questions. Now section C, there will be 2 case studies containing 5 questions each. That means altogether 10 questions from 2 case studies. But candidate has to take attempt any 8 questions. Now total number of question 16 plus 16 plus 8, 40. This question number range is serial number 1 to 20, section B 21 to 40, and section C 41 to 50. Now for evaluator, how to evaluate these papers? As a section A consists of 20 questions and the candidates are taking attempt for 16 questions, so evaluator will correct or check 16 correct questions from question number 1 to 20. Similarly, from section B, evaluator has to check first 16 correct answers from serial number 21 to 40. Similarly, from section C, evaluator has to check only 8 questions. Suppose for example there are 2 combinations. Some students may take attempt 5 questions from section C and 3 questions from first case studies 5 questions, and second case study they may take attempt 3 questions. Altogether 8 also it's possible. Or 4 questions may be first case studies and 4 questions may be second case study. Similarly, it may happen also some of the students may do like this: 3 questions they may do from the first case study and 5 questions they may do from the second case study. So in this way also evaluators should understand how the students are answering. Accordingly they have to evaluate. Now we will discuss about the Hindi subject, Hindi course B. Hindi course B. How the question will come in Hindi course B? Let us see. In Hindi question paper, you will find the full mark is 40 and the maximum time is 90. And in this question paper also you will find there are 3 sections: Ko, Kho or Go. A, B and C. In Ko section there are 20 questions and the candidate has to take attempt any 10 questions. Similarly, section B, there are 21 questions and candidate has to take attempt only 16 questions. Similarly, section C, there are 14 questions and all the 14 questions are compulsory. A candidate has to take attempt all the 14 questions. Then altogether 40 questions, 40 marks. Now the section A, the question ranges is from serial number 1 to 20. And section B, 21 to 40. From this range, we have to take attempt any 16. And section C, This question paper serial number is 41 to 54 and we have to take attempt 14 questions. Now the question comes for the evaluator. How a evaluator can evaluate the paper? The evaluators are suggested to check first 10 questions, first 10 correct answers from serial number 1 to 20. Similarly, from section B, only first 16 correct answers from serial number 21 to 40 are to be evaluated. Similarly, section C, all the 14 questions, only first 14 correct questions from serial number 41 to 54 will be counted. Once again, I will remind all the invigilators, evaluator, coordinator, observer and all other officials have to use only red ballpoint pen. An invigilator, while putting the signature on the OMR answer sheet, we have to once see the students whether they are writing the option in the rectangular box or not. We have to suggest them to write it. And don't forget to give the signature. At last, there are two boxes. One is for evaluator, another is for coordinator. Here we have to write how many correct question number is answered, not marks. So I feel this video is important for all of us. Definitely this video will help all the students and teachers. Please share this video as many as the students or the teachers. Thank you.